Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. Well, Samsung fans are looking forward to several new products from the company later this year. New smartwatches are certainly on the list. After last year's major upgrade in the form of the Galaxy Watch 4, Samsung will launch new models in 2022 that will ostensibly be called the Galaxy Watch 5. Samsung's wearable offerings are probably the best alternatives to the Apple Watch. Its partnership with Google for the Wear OS-based Watch 4 series seems to have done wonders for everyone involved, as the company achieved its highest quarterly smartwatch shipments last year. Given the success, there's no doubt that Samsung is already working on a successor. Not long after we heard an interesting rumor about the Watch 5 skin thermometer, there's a new report that sheds light on its battery. We have spotted the watch's battery in a South Korean regulatory filing. The listing reveals that the watch will house a 276 mAh unit, a step up from the 247 mAh battery found inside the Galaxy Watch 4. The Watch 4's battery situation is a bit frustrating. It is neither big enough to last 2 days on a charge nor small enough to charge quickly. There's no information on the classic variant yet, but with any luck, it'll also have a beefier battery. All that said, an increase in battery capacity simply doesn't translate into better battery life. It also depends on factors like the efficiency of the chipset and the hardware it's pushing. The addition of new sensors, including that skin thermometer meant to measure body temperature on the fly, could defeat the gains made with the larger battery capacity. Even though information about the watch has started to trickle out, it's unlikely that the Watch 5 will be released soon. If the company sticks to its usual calendar, we can expect them to be unveiled at an Unpacked event in the third quarter of 2022. However, you won't have to wait as long to hear more about or see the watches. Leaks will tell us all we need to know about them before Samsung does. In addition to a bigger battery than its predecessor, the Galaxy Watch may 5th come with a sensor that will be able to measure your body temperature accurately. This new technology may enable Galaxy Watch 5 users to identify viral symptoms and help them treat colds. The Galaxy Watch 5 is expected to go into mass production in the third quarter of this year. Although we don't have an exact release date, if Samsung decides to release the Galaxy Watch 5 around the same time as it did last year, we expect to see Samsung reveal its new smartwatch around August or September. So, that is it guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.